How to use Radmin VPN for Minecraft. So first thing you want to do is install the Radmin VPN obviously. Then create your network by clicking on a create network and then set up the network name and the password. So then you want to share that network name and password with your friends. And then your friends need to join your network by clicking on a join network in Radmin VPN. So make sure that you are all in the same Radmin VPN network and have the same Minecraft version. And then you want to host a LAN server. So you and your friends need to add a game.exe file in the firewall exceptions. Then you want to add the Java to a firewall exceptions by going to navigate to the control panel, system, security, Windows firewall, or just type in firewall in the start menu search, and then in the firewall control panel, select allow an app or feature through the Windows firewall, and then simply just check the Java itself. Then you want to open a single player Minecraft world. Then you want to hit escape and select the open to LAN button. Then set the options to open the LAN network and tell the other players a 5-digit port number that will appear in the chat window. And that's how you can basically use Radmin VPN for Minecraft and in order to play with your friends.